Good afternoon, country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Story House. Now last story this for the week. Story for this afternoon, chapter by chapter, we talk palava for Bamenda side. Una sabi say big ndonga men for SDF people them. It happen for Bamenda since yesterday. And for Seka the security, story where the enter for we here now say today, all thing get for finish for Bamenda so that people they feel so turn back. Palava for votes, OC Joshua, Naide for before, as we Pani John, they don't also keep it like a big man, chairman for inside SDF party. Torito for this afternoon, we go talk Palava for Douala Airport after we plenty aeroplane company them. They deny say they no go land again for Douala Airport. Big man for all airport them for inside Cameroon. It don't work out for Douala Airport for see waiting all these other people that they complain. This afternoon we go talk for another palava. To read them two newspaper they talk. We no go miss for talk for now. Big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we say food for mommy fowl. It know the key picking fowl. I say food for mommy picking fowl. It know the key small picking fowl. Now Mejame Same for site for back with the town for Boyam. Now he send with big part talk. I the turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people them. As we talk for we chapter, we go begin now with the palava for this big ndonga men for Bamenda. We concern SDF party them. Our SDF party, we now one for the main opposition party for inside Cameroon, inside country. Make we take una go for Bamenda for talk say as we dey here for yes home. Na palava for vote, people them for inside executive committee meeting. Na palava for vote, people them for inside executive committee meeting. Na sabise for inside this palava for SDF, country people them. Palava for SDF, big meeting them, where it pass for day, big meeting them, where it pass for inside the SDF country people them. Sabise for inside this big meeting, as we will talk for now, for that side, so for inside Bamenda, they talk say waiting. Now vote for people them for National Executive Committee meeting, executive committee member them. Now them they vote now, and after for Sabise Pani John, they do already put it like chairman back for the chair wey be she done. He be turn up, no other person no be turn up say go can challenge Pani John like a chairman for inside the party. So for inside this palava for SDF, Sabise vote for get person wey go drag rope with Nkunkumam for palava for vote for 2018 vote for get president. They vote them. We get OC Joshua, we get Honorable Joseph Bandam, and we get Honorable for Chinda Fobi. We are them. They stand up for the one. Tori way the enter for we here. He talk for we 17. OC Joshua, na he say a day for before for this vote way it pass. But Sabi say for inside that side for Bamenda, we get face them for CPDM, former Secretary General Titus Ezwa, Idede, and today we hear say even Gregoire Owonam, when a one strong man said for inside CPDM party. It don't land for Bamenda for for this big ndonga men where SDF people they hold am. Kamamburu people them police they be there for all corner for CC make all team for inside this palava for SDF party. A waka fine, yes, they make all team a waka fine. Just for Sabia so talk on them. Inside this Donga men for SDF people them, they say 1,446 delegate them. Now them the day for that side for Bamenda now, so they be the way 2,400. No be na all man it be fit for make am. Sabi say this meeting it happen for time where people them bad belle people they be don't talk say made the meeting. No hope for that side for Bamenda. So na Tronhead where SDSS use them, no fear. They talk say na their landlords. Now for the way the meeting it happen. So 1,446 delegate them. Now them the day present for vote all people them for neck and even people the way they go represent SDF for vote for get new president for 2018. As we talk for now, Tori this also pass on that side, but as we Tori the pass, we say we go try for you now Tori wey e dey pass for inside Bamenda. Now so for sabi say day one for inside this SDF their meeting wey e be dey na Tuesday, Country Sunday be day. Yes, day one for inside this SDF their meeting, Country Sunday be day inside Bamenda. Yes, Country Sunday be day inside Bamenda for sake say Bine place them they be denied for open for day one. But today we no fit talk whether Country Sunday so they them for sake that you we sabi fine for that side. So make we enter for different tori now. We take una go for Kumba side. Yes, for Kumba side they na the tallest building that for inside Kumba. It be dey na hotel with fire. It be cash for inside that hotel for nightclub side. Now the photo then that for that hotel for inside Kumba with fire be cash for the nightclub side. Tori wey dey enter for we here for corner side. It dey try for tell we say now for Sika or work connection where they make am for the house. The same day we fire cash for that side. Lucky say army rescue people them they be day for look at the one. If no be so, they fire for finish the whole hotel. We are talking at the tallest house where it dey for inside Southwest. They do already discover to cause the fire. That fire as we talk for now. Now we work connection for electricity where it cause fire for that side. So for inside Kumba. We go talk back this palaver for this school where they call am say government secondary school Ginaji. Cameroon flag e dey fly for the fine for sure say na inside Cameroon. Condition where the pikin they take learn for inside that school where they call am say government school Ginaji. Now condition for OH, yes. They tell we say we be Android people them. This pikin they no be Android people them at all. I say this pikin na people them for OH. Now for Sika why that way you know fit see computer self. Even for their own class. You see class no? School pikin they learn na for empty air. When rain e fall, breeze e blow, e carry their zinc, e throw here. Public holiday, official. That one no man no even get for argue. Even as well breeze e dey blow, so when e wan over bad, public holiday for all the pikin the way una dey see them so they dey struggle for say make they learn book. But who said they dey learn book? Na the house that, na the school that. Make una see am. Na 21st century Cameroon. They say na Android generation, but na OH. Where the people they learn for that side. So teacher they say they no get a place or she don't. Now on top Okada they did she don't. Now their own motto that fine say they even get 2 foot. But now for here where they did do all thing. How this teacher they go manage teach fine. On top all the one they so they did tell we say waiting. Say it's this school one at the sea and so where it dey for Marwa 3 council area. They go write BAPC exam this year. The first speaking there for write BAPC exam. For this school, they go come up for this year for write that exam. The condition for the school now one. Who say early them for Marwa? Who say other people there they come up for Marwa? Where they chop for Douala, they chop for Yawende, they dey for outside. Who say they dey? Where they left the kind school so even may yourself for Marwa 3 council money for school. Who say they put that money? Because the photo, picture will show now. So this image, no na fine image. Yes, no be na fine image at all. We come back for inside Douala here. Una sabi say some 15 aeroplane company there. They be give warning for Cameroon say they no go land for on top Douala airport. For Sika that one big man for all airport and for country here. Oga Awono. E be there for Douala airport. For he say for take it eye. E chop Christmas for see wait the aeroplane people that they complain. So for inside airport, Oga Awono, he turn for inside airport, he goes there for go see the toilet. When they complain say toilet is no fine. As you sabi say Cameroon, when they talk say something no fine, they go quickly go fix it. For Sika say they don't want to say make they come out them for chair. So as well they say big man they come one time. They come out, they don't go to clean they don't go to clean toilet. So that make big man no come, he can't talk say he see toilet dirty. Even place where they carry cargo when aeroplane come on, this place where cargo they turn, then people they will come pick their back. Una go ask and say, ambassador, you don't enter aeroplane before. Yes, I don't enter. After big man he come up for outside airport, he go for fee for that place where aeroplane they land. Now the place where the what the aeroplane company them. Now the place so he look all that place so look at all. After that one, the big man he talk with the Tory people them. Yes, a big man she done a talk with the Tory people them how we audit the past. Sabi say now after we they don't give one and say 15 aeroplane company, they don't deny say they no go land for them. Tory for this afternoon now for cry and all we will go join family for Oga Ejole Patrick for cry this die now for that side so for Boya Road for Kumba on the people them. This man be then a headmaster for government school for Etam 1. We talked this chapter yesterday. So they bring the pie die body with the bury for that side so for Kumba for Boya Road. It be then a big cry die for the family people them for inside Kumba them. As where they go see their master now for inside bush where some boy they never so sabi them till now they cash away it be the go Kumba for some baby meeting killer. Sabi say according to the boy them they be the vex for Sika Sepa it be so one time say may school it be go for Etam side where then say they no be one time. So it be then a big cry die as where they see that pa yesterday 2 days ago now yesterday so where they bury that pa where they call it say Ejole Patrick headmaster for government school Etam 1. He gets 6 pikin and a woman for remain for back. But Sabi say the one na just one of the plenty other thing them where it don't dey happen for Sika this palava for Norwest and Southwest. Sabi say plenty of the school there the one star where they burn down all that kind of one so now way in make and so with this pass it take go so we talk big Asham for a family for Ejole for side for Kumbam where they lost their papa. Sabi say as we talk na headmaster for government school Etam 1 for Tombel subdivision Kupe Maningoba division. So they bury yesterday after we the commodity for that place. We go left palava for die. We turn talk back this palava for bilingualism. Now the one for the weekdays today na Friday. Make we live on a small. Make we hear back that picking them where they show say for true they sabi their country talk. Make we hear them as well they go to sing for we. This one is sing with national anthem for Bafang country talk. Make we hear.
Bala fombo siembo ya kwewa bia ya to ya fa kwetewa tenvala ya tenvata ya o siemba kaya na undinde kweyo tasi pitoya vama kwenyungu nangumankuni.
Oh, the one day so now thing the way it happen as well they be the celebrate big day for country talk. It be pass for number 21 day for this week. I will a day inside. Make we hear this other group for picking them where they sing anthem now for Douala country talk.
Akameun ewa beba belalu longe Akameun ewa
Yes, so now the picking and that where they will show we say they sabi their country talk, and for true, mommy they get for continue, papa them they get for continue for teach picking them how we they fit use their country talk, so that sacred talk if it happen only inside them when stranger it come. Last picking will be the meet up he try for count 1 to 10 for inside Bamun country talk.
Ma be mpek ba tie do samba fami kovi kohan.
Now the small one then that will gather for now for this last day for the week. Make una member say PG News Debates. It pass for Equinox Story House all Saturday 12:30. So till you land for 1:30. Now so make we enter for Toriwe newspaper the talk. Waiting there for strong number for newspaper them. The guidance post where they for outside. It tell we say Aya Foundation now so they join money at least 10 million so that if you go help that with brother and sister then where they don't run go for Nigeria side for Sika Palava way it happen for Norwest and Southwest. SDF their baby meeting SSF it happen for Bamenda now so now for under I for Kamamburu people them with Sabiti way it pass for that side. So for inside this Palava you go try for read Palava for senator as where you get Achidi John Bin them. We even get people there like Jack Ananga and plenty other people them where they don't drop they don't come out for inside CPDN list for chapter for waiting senator votes. So for inside the guidance post you go read other to read them where they carry them today winner Friday. Inside the post weekend that way they for outside they get their own to read them for talk. The post weekend editor we say waiting for Sika talk way and Bazonia people they talk. SDF their meeting way they happen now. So for Bamenda they change place where the meeting it began for happen. So for inside the post weekend you go read Tori as well they tell we say waiting tension it dey for up between Nigerian governor and soldier them for Cameroon. Now for Sika waiting the post weekend it get that answer. Now so today they tell we as well some woman where it dey naked and where they don't cut a bobby they meet up for that side. So for Boya the post weekend it get Tori too for Palava this gunman where they don't tiffy and some other one where they kill some head teacher for that side. So for Etam 1 all the Tori them plus Palava for Kavayege Jibril the post weekend it gets all them for inside his skin. Nouvelle Expression two-way day for outside today. It gets its own Tori. Nouvelle Expression Titus Ezwa a day for conference a BB meeting for SDF. Now so they tell we waiting Titus Ezwa he go do for that side for SDF. Sabi say we don't be a former Secretary General for inside CPDM. Nouvelle Expression it gets more answer for that Palava. So for inside Nouvelle Expression you feel read Tori for Palavas on 2 man picking them where they took them injection for petrol. This one it happened for Yawende side day. Nouvelle Expression it gets other Tori them. Now for you for enter for Sabi way to way Nouvelle Expression TikTok Palava gendarme man to way they not can find all that one they so una go read them for Nouvelle Expression way day for outside today Friday. Le Messager SSF it gets a Tori way nakam waiting there for strong number for Le Messager. Le Messager it give we idea it give we advice how we fit. No one can say Cameroon is divide. Yes, Le Messager it tell we say how we will feel make Cameroon is no divide. Waiting the talk for that Palava, Le Messager get the answer. Messager too go talk Palava to Frundi and Palava waiting we don't do since we she don't like a big man for SDF and all the time the way he don't turn up like president candidate for inside SDF party. Inside Le Messager, small to read into the day for corner. Now for you for enter you read them fine. Popoli na the last one will look inside na a Poku newspaper Palava for terrorism. Yes, SDF fear for the big meeting we get for happen for Bamenda. According to Popoli, you see Pani John Sesepwe they talk for day, but Sabi say the fear e don also make am meeting for SDF in the whole for inside Bamenda. As we talk, e be start now with Fear, the change side wey dey get for Holam for Sika Fear, but Fear e don finish soon. Even as we meeting, e dey also happen for site for Bamenda. Now they told them that we get them when we newspaper come be them to they get them for we today we na Friday. Make una sabi say we go meet up with them again na sote for Monday. So we dey talk happy birthday for Eric Kwamo today na birthday and na editor in chief for Equinox Story House, and so happy birthday too for you Metuge Laura for side for Boya side. Country people them PG News debate as well I don't talk. Saturday 12:30 1:30 we change them. We go turn back for all the trunk to read them inside the week. We want to say big thank you for all we camera people them, all people that they don't give you image for the week. We get them as I be say next week we go so meet up again. If you don't talk table chop fine, make una hold them tight for outside day.